Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Type of genes. So the first one will be the housekeeping gene. So what is housekeeping gene? The gene which is turned on in all cells. So all cells at all times. And example being the transcription machinery. And there is also the translational machinery, the energy conversion, etc. And then was the cell type specific gene. So cell type specific genes are the genes that are turned on and off each cell. So it is on and off each cell, and it gives the cell its specific properties and functions. Then comes the developmental regulatory gene. So here the gene specific to certain stages. So genes are specific to certain stages, and this is during the growth and development. Next is the inducible gene. The gene is not normally expressing but get expressed in response to some external stimuli. Example being the hormones. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.